the day that I've been waiting for. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is finally here. It's the 1st of October, and for me, that's a really big thing. I make car videos in the automotive vlogging world, so for me, a GoPro is definitely the way forward. Stay tuned for all the updated facts and release information about the GoPro Hero 8 Black. It's the 1st of October 2019. It's the day that most of us have been waiting for. Whether we have the GoPro Hero 7 or previous, this day in the calendar was a day that we needed immediately. We needed it yesterday. We wanted the GoPro Hero 8 to fix all the problems the GoPro Hero 7 had. We wanted 4K 120 frames. We wanted better low light conditions. Well, the GoPro Hero 8 Black is finally here. There's one big question that everybody is asking, and that is the price of the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. Now, there's a few sources for this information, and $474 or £386 in our money is a rough guess. However, there's another source that says $399, which is about £325 for those interested, which is far more realistic, as the GoPro 7 was released at $399 also. So obviously the latter is what we're expecting and what we want. However, there's always the chance that it could be $474, which is a bit of a weird number, so I'm going to say it's going to be the $399 mark. Although everything on the internet has to be taken with a grain of salt, we can say that $399 or £325 is a lot more realistic, and that's what we're hoping for from the event today. The main features are the GP2 chip, which is updated from the GoPro Hero 7. We've got 4K at 120 frames, and at 1080p we have 480 frames. That means Slo-Mo video is going to be absolutely silk smooth. I cannot wait to get some Slo-Mo shots of my car with that. 12 megapixel camera, that's not too bad, not too shoddy for the size of the actual unit. We have all of the attachables such as the LED light and potentially a screen that vloggers can see. That's not really new in the action camera world, however it will be new to the GoPro Hero 8 Black, so I can't wait for that. Hopefully we have some microphone jacks too, external monitors, so forth, so forth. The main thing I'm looking forward to is the HyperSmooth 2.0 and the Time Warp 2.0. Not really sure how they can improve them, as on the Hero 7 they were pretty extraordinary anyway. However, there's always room for improvement, and that's what I'm most looking forward to. 8x Slo-Mo video will also be pretty cool. However, in most video editing software we can slow footage right down regardless and make it silky smooth with a fine touch. Leave your thoughts and comments down below what your opinions are of the first event of GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. I cannot wait to pick up my copy of it. I also found this leaked picture on the internet, again not saying it's completely true, as we can see the GoPro Hero 7 down in the bottom right hand corner, which is probably a giveaway to say this is fake. However, we have a waterproof up to 10 meters, HyperSmooth 2.0, Time Warp 2.0, Live Burst, and $399.90. I'm going to say that is a cost of some description, potentially dollars, potentially some other currency, as the bottom left shows a foreign language. This could potentially be the box or some fan art, however I found it on a leaked website, so it's got potential to be true.